when we add automation, our goal is not to reduce headcount. It's to increase our capabilities and our throughput, right? So it's an opportunity for somebody to further their skills. It's an opportunity for a baker's helper to become a line operator, for a line operator to become a technician, for a technician to become, electromechanically certified. So, there's a lot of opportunity that comes with automation. We never view it as, hey, we're bringing in 10 robots to replace 10 people. It's, hey, we're bringing in 10 robots and we're going to need people to learn how to use these robots and how to make them work. And we're going to put in another production line. And those people are going to be the ones who are operating that production line. So, our mindset is never to eliminate headcount. It's just to increase opportunity.